Hey guys, Kyle, vlogging, second day. I got Matt here.
I'm not here.
With the doggy. Yeah.
I see. Can I see? Oh, hey, I'm on the chump box.
Ooh, I got my awesome computer here. Yeah, I'm bored. I might go to the park later, so yeah. Guys, Kyle here. Yeah, I can't go to Matt's or anything. Can't go to the park. I'm stuck inside because I got baseball practice soon. So I probably won't be filming till later tonight, and yeah, it'll be pretty short. So yeah, I'm just charging it right now. So yeah, so I'll be vlogging later tonight, and yeah, hopefully it'll be uploaded by tonight too. So yeah. Wait, it's still on, right? Oops. Maybe. Yeah, never. Who was that? Wait, I know. It was Lonnie. Yeah, it was Lonnie. Really, that was Lonnie.
And then I got a super chlorinated tonight. Lots of chlorine and...
I'm driving in a car, heading to baseball.
We gotta get this pool up and running, babies. Get rad.
So boring.
Oh, damn, it's the PWNES?
Yep.
The PWNES we go.
Anyway, I guess that's all for today in my little vlog. And look how nice the backyard is. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Anyway, I better end it now. Yeah, so see you guys tomorrow. And maybe I'll have some cool crap to do instead of this. Anyway, see ya. Peace. Yeah.